Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of a life where money worries are a thing of the past? If so, you're not alone. Many people find themselves trapped in a cycle of financial stress, constantly worrying about how they will make ends meet. But what if there was a way to break free from this cycle and create a sustainable income that requires minimal effort on your part? Enter passive income streams. Proven methods that can help you say goodbye to financial stress forever. Rental properties. The power of real estate. Investing in rental properties is one of the most popular ways to generate passive income. By purchasing properties and renting them out, you can enjoy regular cash flow without actively working for it. With careful research and smart investment decisions, rental properties can become an excellent source of long-term wealth. Dividend stocks. Let your money work for you. Dividend stocks are shares in companies that distribute profits back to their shareholders regularly. By investing in these stocks, you can earn passive income through dividend payments without needing to actively manage your investments. The key is selecting stable companies with a history of consistent dividends. Peer-to-peer lending. Be the bank. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow individuals like yourself to lend money directly to borrowers in need, cutting out traditional banks as intermediaries. By diversifying your investments across multiple loans, you can earn interest on your capital while helping others achieve their financial goals. Affiliate marketing. Turn your passion into profit. If you have a blog or social media presence centered around a particular niche or interest, affiliate marketing may be perfect for you. This involves promoting products or services through unique referral links and earning commissions when someone makes a purchase using your link. Digital products. Create once, sell forever. Thanks to the internet age we live in, creating and selling digital products has never been easier. Whether it's an ebook, online course, or software program, you can create a product once and sell it repeatedly without any additional effort. YouTube channel. Share your expertise. YouTube has become a platform where individuals can showcase their skills and knowledge while earning money through ad revenue and sponsorships. By consistently creating valuable content that resonates with your audience, you can build a loyal following that generates passive income for years to come. Royalties. Cash in on your creativity. If you're a talented musician, writer, or artist, royalties are an excellent way to earn passive income from your creative work. By licensing your creations to others or distributing them through platforms like Spotify or Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, you can earn ongoing royalties whenever someone enjoys your work. Why should you consider these passive income streams? The answer is simple: freedom. By diversifying your sources of income and establishing passive streams, you gain the financial independence necessary to pursue your dreams without the constant stress of money management. How do these methods work? Each of these strategies involves leveraging existing assets, whether it's property ownership, investment portfolios, creativity skills, or online presence, to generate consistent cash flow over time with minimal ongoing effort required from yourself. When implemented correctly and managed wisely, these passive income streams have the potential to provide financial security for years to come. Imagine waking up each day knowing that money is flowing into your bank account even when you're not actively working. In conclusion, by exploring various proven passive income streams such as rental properties, dividend stocks, peer-to-peer lending, affiliate marketing, digital products, YouTube channels, and royalties, you can break free from the cycle of financial stress forever. Each method offers unique benefits depending on your interests and resources. Remember that building multiple sources of passive income takes time and effort initially but pays off in the long run. So, start exploring these opportunities today and say goodbye to financial stress forever.